Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Canon PowerShot SX420 is digital camera, black, with 20MP, 42x optical zoom, 720p HD video, and built-in Wi-Fi plus 64GB card plus reader plus grip plus spare battery and charger plus tripod plus complete accessory bundle. Kit includes Canon PowerShot SX420 is digital camera plus MB11LH lithium-ion battery pack plus CB2LF battery charger plus lens cap plus WSDC 12 wrist strap plus limited 1-year warranty. All these in Canon box. Plus padded camera case plus spare POWER 2000 battery plus spare charger plus hand grip plus Gripster tripod plus the Imaging World microfiber cleaning cloth. Plus SanDisk 64GB high-speed SDXC Class 10 memory card plus card reader plus memory card wallet plus screen protector plus Vidpro digital camera cleaning kit. 20.0 MP 1.2.3 CCD image sensor, DIGIC 4 plus image processor 42x optical zoom lens 24 to 1008mm, 35mm equivalent, 3.0 230K LCD monitor. HD 720p video recording at 25 FPS, intelligent as image stabilization, built-in Wi-Fi with NFC, ISO 1600 and 2.2 FPS continuous shooting, smart auto and scene modes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.